Hi, let's learn an interesting effect in the video. Here I have just added my video to the timeline. Click on the T and type the text and adjust the size. If you want bigger than the press size, can use scale. Now we will resize the video to the text together. Now search in the Effects track Mackie and we'll leave it on the video. Now in the Effect Control video, put matte on the video too. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hurry up, it's getting late! From the Effect Control, for Position skill, created keyframe. We move the playhead forward a little and we adjust the position and scale so that the video appears completely. For a smoother movement of the video, we set the first keyframe to the ease out and second keyframe to ease in. Thank you for watching. See you next time.